video, I am sharing with you how I remove my Kiara Sky Gelly tips. The ones that I'm wearing in this set are the medium almond. I never did a tutorial on this nail look, so I apologize. But if you're interested in seeing me using them, definitely check the link above and in the description. I will share with you my first set using them, which was my Gucci set that if you follow me on Instagram, I'll leave that all listed down below so you can check it out as well. So starting off, I cut down my nails to my natural nail length so it would be easier to take them off. Now I'm going in with a medium grit bit to take off the gel polish and make the nails thinner, so when I do my soak off method, it's easy sailing. So I'm just gonna let you watch me do that. Super easy. Everything I used will be linked down below. Anything that has an asterisk beside it, y'all, is an affiliate link through Amazon. So if you purchase through that way, I do earn a small commission. I just started this, so wish me luck. I've never done it before, but I thought, if you like the things that are in my videos and I link them down below, I could earn some small coinage from it so I can put back into the channel, because if you don't know, now you know. Your homegirl likes to shop. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Shalicia. I do all things beauty related, and that's mainly makeup, a lot of hauling because your girl likes to shop, some tutorials here and there. And right now I'm currently in a nail vibe. Since the beginning of COVID last year, I purchased a lot of nail stuff. Right now the Kiara Sky kit is my current favorite. I'm living for it. I'm definitely gonna have to come back with a review, like maybe in a month or so, with my experience with it. I think I'll try and do that for y'all so you can understand if it's worth it or not. Definitely think it's worth it. Super easy to work with. But I'll let you watch me remove my nails. Going in with 100% acetone. I got mine from Walmart. That's where I find it's the cheapest. Got some cotton rounds. Can't speak for nothing, guys. As per usual, got me some cotton rounds, and I'm using these little clips to hold them onto my nails. I go between this method and the soak off method. It honestly depends on my mood and how much time I have. I think I might like this method a bit more than soaking them off, just because of the warm fumes of the acetone can get to you a little bit, which is a little hectic sometimes. And then I let my nails soak with these cotton rounds for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on my mood and if I remember to set my timer correctly. Now I'm coming back with my cuticle pusher, and I'm just gently pushing the leftover build-up residue off. It may look a little aggressive, but I promise you it's not. And if you had more patience and you were finding that you're having hard spots, you could redo the cotton rounds and soak them off. But sometimes when I do these videos, it's like 1 o'clock in the morning and your homegirl likes to sleep, so you know, it looks a little aggressive, but I promise you it's not. My nails do look pretty good once I take them off. A little dehydrated because, you know, of the acetone, but other than that, they hold up really well. Any of the residue left from my nails, I go in with a medium sanding band on my E-file to help buff off, sand off any of the builder gel or Kiara Gelly tips that stayed on. You know, I have it on a low speed. The drill I'm using is the McCart one. I'll link it down below like I said previously. And I have it on a low speed just so I make sure I don't damage my natural nails. I do this around my cuticle area as well, just so I can prep my nails for my next set and not have to re-sand my nails, you know, or like rebuff them, I should say, rough them up. I'm just going over them with some light pressure to take off any residue, like I said. And now I'm switching out my bit to the Kiara Sky cuticle bit so I can clean up around my cuticle area. I believe this is the Kiara Sky one. Actually, I think it's my McCart one. I'll link both down below so you can check them out. They're super gentle on the cuticle area. I use them at about a low speed so just so I don't damage my natural nail. And because it's a safety bit, or like a safer bit, I feel like you are less likely to cut up your cuticles. I personally don't cut my cuticles. Whenever I do it, I feel like I get hangnails, even if I get it completely off. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I'm just not good at it. I don't know, but I try to refrain from doing it, unless I really absolutely need to, but typically I don't. And finally, I am going in with my nail buffer. It's a little mini block I got from Nail Time. I'll link it down below so y'all can check it out. I'll see if I can see it on Amazon as well so you can check it out if you're unable to get it from Nail Time. And lastly, I am taking my nail file and just evening out the edges and filing them down to my desired look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment down below on if you tried the Kiara Sky. And until my next video, guys, stay safe.